In this video, I would just like to give some tips on setting rivets, and the rivets in particular are the ones with the smaller caps. As you can see, these are the cone spike rivets, and the post is actually connected to the shape, and then the small cap sits on top of that post, and that is true for the round polygon buckets as well. They have the smaller cap that goes on top of the post as well. There are a few other rivets that we carry, the triangle spike rivets, the 6-7 spike rivets, just a few. They do come with a smaller cap, so I have a great tip in securely setting them. I will be demonstrating the cone spike, which I have in this machine right here. I want to start off by making a hole in my piece of canvas, and then I would just take my cone spike and put it right through the hole, and then the shape is actually in the bottom shape of the base of the die, so I securely place that in there. And then I just want to take my smaller cap and I place it on top, and then press down on my handle. And here's where the tip comes in. If you are setting these rivets and the cap seems like it's just not far down enough, and this varies with the different thicknesses and the materials you're using, so not every time, but thinner materials, if the cap just seems too loose, here is a fantastic tip for you. You just unscrew the top die and then reset the rivet, and you see, I mean, you're the best judge in your work and to see if the cap seems secure enough, which now it does, but you can always keep going down and unscrewing the top die and setting it again. And these are very secure dies. The cap really does go down far. So just keep unscrewing and setting the rivet until the cap seems securely placed, because they will stay, they're really tight rivets. They'll stay very nicely. And again, this is true for the hole punch dies too. When working on thinner materials such as one layer, what I do if the hole does not go quite through, I just unscrew the top die a bit and I press down, and then you will have your perfect hole. So again, it's really with the smaller cap rivets that I found this really necessary, in the hole punch as well. And again, it just varies with the different thicknesses and materials, but they set very secure. They're very tight rivets and they're set really well. So that was just a tip that I had for you. All of this is available at Minkus Margo on eBay and Etsy. The machines are available. We have a lot of different dies to choose from. Rivets, studs, grommets, snaps. I'd also like to talk about a designer, Wicked Leicester Clothing from the UK. They're customized clothing influenced by heavy metal, horror, and the catwalk. They create one-of-a-kind pieces just for you, so please check out Wicked Leicester Clothing at wickedleicerbigcartel.com, and I will put a link to that website below. They are fantastic. They have fantastic designs, so please check them out. And I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.